Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Snype 2.0 wired gaming mouse. As you can see, the front of the package has an image of the product itself right in the middle. We have some quantum branding right on top, and we can see the Snype 2.0 mouse at the bottom. Right at the bottom, we have the exact model number of the product, which is QHM-286G. On the right hand side of the package, we have some QR codes that lead to the various social media handles of the brand. On the left hand side, we have a couple of QR codes as well. The top one would lead you to the company's website, whereas the bottom one would lead you to the company's support and service website. Right here, we have some information regarding the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. At the bottom, we have some more quantum branding. At the back of the box, we have the key features right on top, which include 6 programmable keys, a maximum DPI of 3200 with other 4 changeable options. We have a USB cable length of 1.5 meters, and the product also has RGB LED lights. Right here, we have some importing and manufacturing details. We also have the net quantity of the box and the contents of the package, which include 1 mouse, 1 CD driver, and 1 manual. Underneath that, we have the customer care details, and right underneath that, we have a link to the company's website. There is some more quantum branding on the top. And on the bottom, we have a sticker that shows off the expanded name of the product. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's see what we get. Here we have a mini disc that holds the drivers that can be installed to make the mouse work with the PC in case you run into any problems, but it should ideally have a plug and play function, so you might not need to bother with the disk at all. Next up, we have a rating card where you can scan the QR codes and leave a message as feedback for the brand and even for the e-commerce website where you have bought the device from. Here we also have a user manual. The front of the manual has the key specifications as we saw on the box earlier. And on the back, we have some more detailed specifications and features. High resolution DPI of up to 3200. It has a 4000 refresh frequency. It has 4 speeds, and each of the speeds are at 1200 dpi, 1600 dpi, 2000 dpi, and 3200 dpi. It also has RGB colors LED, which breathe and cycle. It has 6 programmable buttons on the mouse itself. It has an acceleration of 8G and a max FPS of 4000. It also has an auto sleep mode. Coming to the specifications, we can see that it has a USB interface. Again, the total number of keys are 6. The sensor type is optical. It has a power consumption of DC 5 volts, button life of 3 million clicks, cable length of 3.5 meters, cable type is the braided cable type, and we have the dimensions, which are 313 into 40 into 70 mm. We also have the package contents, which are already laid out on the table for us. And here we have the instructions to get started with using the device. Right at the bottom, once again, we can see the brand's website. We can see that the mouse itself has a very flamboyant design, which is very gamer-centric. On the top, we have the left and right mouse buttons, and they have a fairly loud click. We can also see that the scroll wheel has a gear-shaped design. Underneath that, we have the DPI button. Pressing this button will change between the different DPI settings. We also have 2 buttons right here where your thumb would lie, and these can be configured to whatever you need it to be. On the left and right, we have these gills as design, and we also have a wheel, but this wheel is stuck in place. It does not really move, and that's the same case on the other side as well. At the bottom, we have a metal plate with a brushed aluminum texture and 5 skid pads. We can see that it has a black and red nylon braided cable, and we have a chunky USB Type A interface. As we already know, the cable length is approximately 1.5 meters long. As we can see, the mouse has a few strobing lights and they change color quite frequently. So this has been the unboxing of the Quantum Snype 2.0 wired gaming mouse. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.